Hello to all. Today I'll be teaching you about the state government, a civic chapter for grade 7. Now, what is a state government and what are the different levels of government? Firstly, we will study about the levels of the government. There are three levels of the government: the central government, state government, and the local government. So today we will be studying about the state government. What do a state government do? Every state has its own state government. State governments makes laws for people in their states, administer their states, and look after the welfare of their people. State legislature. All states in India have legislative assembly, also known as the Vidhan Sabha or the lower house. हर स्टेट के अंदर एक विधान सभा होती है जिसे हम लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली भी बोलते हैं और विधान सभा भी बोलते हैं या लोअर हाउस भी बोलते हैं. Most states only have single house of the legislature, that is Vidhan Sabha. These states are called unicameral states. Some states such as Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh have two houses, Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. These states which have two houses are called bicameral states. Vidhan Parishad, also known as Legislative Council, is only present in bicameral states and is also known as the upper house. Now we will be talking about Vidhan Sabha. Vidhan Sabha is present in all states and members are called members of Legislative Assembly, which are called MLAs. And they are the citizen of India and are above the age of 25 years. MLAs are directly elected by the people of a state. State is divided into constituencies and each constituency elections one MLA. If needed, the governor can also appoint an Anglo-Indian member to the assembly. MLAs are members for 5 years till the assembly is not dissolved by the governor. Number of members depend on size and population of a state. Assembly has a speaker who presides over the house and makes sure the house runs smoothly. Well, if we study about the Vidhan Parishad is only present in bicameral states and it is nominated by MLAs. The members of Vidhan Parishad are nominated by the MLAs. Local body teachers and graduates, some are appointed by the governor. Role of the Legislature Assembly. The role of the Legislature Assembly are following: makes laws and gets them implemented by the government, debates on important issues concerning the state, all decisions made by government, chief ministers or councils of ministers have to be approved by the assembly, approves budgets for the government, supervises the government. Now, legislative assembly also passes laws, also makes laws for passing bills. Money bill dealing with finance and can be introduced in assembly only. Ordinary bills include all bills other than money bills and can be introduced in either house if bicameral, means both houses. Once bill is introduced, members vote on it. If more than half members vote to pass the bill, it goes to the governor or to the upper house in bicameral states. The governor approves the bill, becomes a law. Now, who is a governor? The governor is the head of the state. He is appointed by the President of India for a term of 5 years. To qualify for becoming a governor, a person has to be a citizen of India and above the age of 35. The governor allows the election winners to form the government, appoints the chief minister and other ministers. He also dissolves the assembly if it violates the constitution or the government does not have support of the majority of MLAs. The governor can also impose president rule in a state if the government stops functioning properly. after a bill is passed by the state legislature, the governor needs to approve it for the bill to become a law. Well, how is the formation of the state government done? State is divided into constituencies and elections are held across all constituencies. After that, people in each constituency vote for one MLA from the constituency from list of candidates contesting the election. And after that, the candidate who gets the highest vote in the constituency becomes the MLA. Now, Chief Minister and its council ministers, after forming the government, the leader is appointed as the Chief Minister, or the Chief Minister is the head of the government. The Chief Minister then selects members from the government who are appointed as ministers. There are three chief ministers. There are three types of ministers: cabinet minister, minister of state, and deputy ministers. Thank you.